Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to secure your Binance account. So in order to secure your Binance account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log in into your account and make sure that your account is verified. And then to begin with, go ahead and press on the Binance icon from the top left hand side corner. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on your ID or profile one more time. And next field, you can see security. Go ahead and press on the security options. So here you have a list of options to set up two-factor authentication. The first thing is you could go ahead and set up a passkey, and then you can also go ahead and use an authenticator app. Likewise, you could go ahead and like apply PIN. You can add all of these steps, and you also have this options that account auto lock, all that authenticator app, and just explore the following options and you can secure your Binance account with two-factor authentication. So in this way you can secure your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.